And that's why I tell people that one of the greatest things about Marvel movies, I love Marvel movies, Captain America, Iron Man, all that. I love it because what they do extremely well is they tell the backstory of the person, how they became where they become. And that's what I realized. If you understand the backstory of Captain America, how he had to grow up and do what he did, you would never think that he what he was. And I was like, if I go back to tell myself, I said, Dave, just be less judgmental. Just when you see somebody, don't judge them immediately and watch what happens. I bet you I'd be in a whole different place right now. I know that.
Yeah. And then you have a positive outlook on that person's capacity and capability, and you give them a shot.
Yeah.
And you encourage them and you coach them and make them better. That's what you would do.
Exactly.
Where can people hear about, see some of the content that you have and the resources that you make available?
Thank you very much. My website is davesandersonspeaks.com. I put everything out there. If you interact with me there, you'll definitely get some interaction back from me. But I tell people, really go out to LinkedIn because I do a lot of LinkedIn. I write a weekly blog with new content every week. So you'll get new content of my thought process and what I've learned to be able to apply immediately. But also what we're really excited about, and keep eye out, just if I created a workshop or a master class, whatever you want to call it, about how to have a limitless life. All these things that we talked about, in addition to a lot of other. So check it if you're interested, you want to explore, go out on LinkedIn, connect with me, give me a message. Hey, when you're ready to launch this, let me know. I love to have people involved with that because this is the best. What I've learned is give the best to everybody up front. Just give it all up front. And if they want to work with you in the back end, great. But give your best up front. And that also helps me fulfill my promise that I made in 1997 is leave it with somebody else. So yeah, check me out on LinkedIn at David Sanderson on LinkedIn, and you'll get a lot of content. And please connect with me.
Awesome. Dave, I really enjoyed our conversation. Thank you so much for sharing your life lesson and wisdom with my audience.
Thank you very much for having me, Samuel, and bless you. Thank you.
Awesome.
This episode of Coffee with Closers is brought to you by OneIMS, a leading digital marketing agency helping businesses win new customers. To request a free marketing ROI audit, please visit oneims.com. If you enjoyed this video, please share it. To make sure you never miss an episode, please subscribe.